Question number 31. Identify the main clause. When it rains, we stay inside. A. When it rains. B. We stay inside. C. Rains. D. It rains. The answer will be we stay inside. The main clause expresses a complete thought. Question number 32. Which sentence is in simple past tense? They play football. They are playing football. They played football. They have played football. The answer is they played football. Played is the past tense of play. Question number 33. Choose the correct article. He is blank honest man. A. B. An. C. The. D. No article. The answer is an. An is used before words starting with a vowel sound. In this case, honest begins with O sound. Good. Let's go to question number 34. Which sentence uses a question tag correctly? A. You are coming, isn't you? B. You are coming, aren't you? C. You are coming, doesn't you? D. You are coming, didn't you? The answer will be you are coming, aren't you? Because negative question tag for you are is aren't you? Question number 35. Choose the correct form of the verb. He blank finished his homework yet. A. Haven't. B. Hasn't. C. Didn't. D. Don't. Nice. The answer is hasn't. He takes singular verb, that's hasn't. Question number 36. Choose the correct plural form. 1 tooth, 2 blank. Tooths, teeth, tooths, teeth. The answer is teeth. Tooth changes to teeth in plural. Question number 37. Which of the following is a compound sentence? A. I like apples and I like oranges. B. I like apples. C. Apples are good. D. The apples red. The answer is I like apples and I like oranges, because two independent clauses joined by and make a compound sentence. Good. Let's pass to question number 38. Which word is a preposition? Under, happy, run, big. Good. The answer is under. Prepositions show relationships. Under, on, beside, and the likes. Question number 39. Which of the following is a complete sentence? A. Because it was raining. B. When I arrived. C. I stayed home because it was raining. D. Since she left. The answer will be I stayed home because it was raining, because it has both subject I and predicate stayed home. Question number 40. Identify the correctly spelled word. Great. The answer is B. Correct spelling of environment is ENVIRONMENT. Question number 41. Choose the correct sentence. A. He don't like milk. B. He doesn't like milk. C. He didn't likes milk. D. He not like milk. The answer will be he doesn't like milk. With he or she or it, we use doesn't or does not. Question number 42. Which word is an adverb? She sang beautifully. A. She. B. Sang. C. Beautifully. D. Song. The answer is beautifully. Adverbs describe how actions are done. In this case, beautifully tells how she sang. Question number 43. Choose the correct form of the verb. They blank the movies already. A. See. B. Saw. C. Seen. D. Have seen. Very good. The answer is have seen. This is because have seen is the correct present perfect form. Let's go. Question number 44. Which sentence is in future tense? A. I am reading a book. B. I read a book. C. I will read a book. And D. I was reading a book. Great. The answer will be I will read a book. Will shows a future action. Question number 45. Choose the correct possessive form. That's my blank bike. A. Brother. B. Brothers. C. Brothers. D. Brothers with different apostrophes. The answer is brothers. Brother apostrophe S. This is because apostrophe plus S shows ownership. Very good. Question number 46. Choose the correct question form. She is your sister. Blank. Is she your sister? She is your sister. Are she your sister? Your sister she is. Very good. Is she your sister will be the correct answer. In a question, the auxiliary verb comes before the subject. Question number 47. Which of the following is a synonym for happy? A. Angry. B. Sad. C. Joyful. And D. Tired. The answer will be joyful. Joyful means the same as happy. Well done. Question number 48 is the next question. Choose the sentence with correct capitalization. Nice. The correct answer is C. My friend John lives in Canada. Here the proper nouns John in Canada start with capital letters. You can take and see all the thing in detail. Question number 49. Which punctuation is used for a question? A. Full stop. B. Question mark. C. Exclamation mark. And D. Comma. The answer is question mark. A question ends with a question mark. Question number 50. Choose the correct word. I am looking forward blank the trip. A. For. B. To. C. With. D. In. The answer is to, because the phrase is looking forward to something. Therefore, I am looking forward to the trip is the correct answer. Choose the correct sentence. I have visited London last year. I visited London last year. I was visited London last year. Or I visiting London last year. Good. The answer will be I visited London last year. This is because past time, in this case last year, requires simple past tense. Well done. Let's see question number 52. Which word completes the analogy? Hot, cold. Day, blank. Morning, night, sun, light. Interesting. The answer is night. Hot is opposite of cold and day is opposite of night. Question number 53. Choose the correct conjunction. I wanted to go out. Blank, it was raining. So, but, and, because. The answer will be but. But shows contrast between two ideas. Therefore, the correct answer will be I wanted to go out, but it was raining. Nice. Now let's proceed to question number 54. Choose the correct word. The students are sitting blank the classroom. On, in, at, into. Great. The answer is in. We say in the classroom, which is inside a place. Question number 55. Which of the following is a compound word? Sunflower, beauty, garden, flower. Sunflower is the answer. A compound word is made of two words joined together. Question number 56. Which sentence is written in passive voice? The teacher helped the student. The student was helped by the teacher. The teacher is helping the student. The teacher helps the student. Well done. The answer will be the student was helped by the teacher. The object becomes the subject in passive voice. Question number 57. Choose the sentence with correct spelling. Great. The answer will be B. The correct spelling is written under choice B. Question number 58. Which of the following is a complete thought? When I saw him, although she tried, she finished her homework, if she comes tomorrow. The answer will be she finished her homework, because a complete sentence must express a full idea. Question number 59. Choose the correct indirect speech. He said, I am tired. He said blank. He was tired. He is tired. I was tired. He tired. Well done. The answer will be he was tired, because in reported speech, present tense changes to past. In this case, am is changed to was. Choose the correct sentence. They're going to the park. They're going to the park. They are going to the park. They going to the park. Nice. They are going to the park, because they are is equivalent to they are.
Congrats! Did you get any right? Like, share this with others and subscribe for more daily questions.